Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Ford Edge interior lights not working issue and the likely reasons behind it. This video discusses common issues reported by Ford owners and potential causes. This information is for general awareness and may not apply to every vehicle. Always consult a certified mechanic or dealership for specific concerns. Interior lights not working in the Ford Edge are commonly described as dome lights not turning on when doors open, map lights failing to respond to switches, courtesy lights staying off or working intermittently, or interior lighting behaving inconsistently across different areas of the cabin. Verified technical service information and reviewed body electrical and interior lighting system data indicate that interior lighting concerns can occur across multiple Ford Edge model years, with relevance depending on electrical architecture, switch inputs, and control module logic. This issue does not affect all vehicles and applicability varies by configuration. One verified cause involves interior light switch or door ajar switch behavior. Faulty or worn switches may not correctly signal the system to activate interior lighting when doors are opened or controls are pressed. Another confirmed cause relates to fuse or circuit protection condition. Blown fuses or circuit interruptions can disable interior lighting circuits entirely or affect specific light zones. Wiring or connector integrity is also a documented factor. Loose connectors, damaged wiring, or poor grounding behind trim panels or near the headliner can interrupt power supply to interior lights. Body control module operation is another verified consideration. The module manages interior lighting logic, and faults, software irregularities, or communication issues can prevent lights from operating as intended. Interior light assembly condition is an additional confirmed aspect. Failed bulbs, LED module faults, or internal light unit issues can cause individual lights to stop working even when control signals are present. Other potential contributing factors, which are not confirmed in every case, may include recent battery disconnection, low system voltage, or aftermarket electrical accessories affecting circuits. These should be treated strictly as possibilities and confirmed through proper diagnostic testing. Common solutions described in professional service guidance include checking interior light settings and switches, inspecting fuses and wiring, testing light assemblies, scanning for body control module fault codes, and verifying proper power and ground supply. Repairs depend on accurate diagnosis and interior lighting system specific requirements. Reviewed diagnostic trends indicate that many Ford Edge interior light concerns are resolved through fuse replacement, switch repair, wiring correction, or light assembly replacement rather than major electrical system repairs. Outcomes vary by model year, electrical configuration, and vehicle condition. In conclusion, Ford Edge interior lights not working issues are typically linked to switch input faults, fuse or circuit problems, wiring or grounding issues, body control module behavior, or light assembly failure. The exact cause differs by vehicle, generation, and model year, making professional diagnosis essential. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.